Yeah? Okay, I'm Luisa and I come from Germany, exactly for the city of Berlin, and I'm organized there in youth organizations. Yes, and we fight for a united perspective of the all young women in Germany, and that's why we come here. We want to get the bigger perspective of the identity and of the perspectives from the young women, young Kurdish women here, and how they are struggling and how we combine our struggles. I think it's really complicated because like feminicide and exactly violence against young women is a really, really big topic in all wars, and we see it as here the Turkish war, like the feminicides which are happening to their young women was killed by a Turkish nationalist, a Turkish fascist. So the Turkey is really, really make violent against young women, and we can close our eyes because really many like the connection to Germany, to Turkish is really, really big, and not only in the economy, also in the how the mentality is in the diaspora in Germany. So it's really combined, and that's why I want really to say to all young women or all people in Germany that we have to stop to close our eyes what Turkey is making here to young women, to all the youth people, to all the people. And I will say to the Kurdish young women that they are really not alone here. We have eyes on what is happening here, and do bring the perspectives of what we learned here, and all the stories what we heard here from all of the people we met, bring to our country, bring to our struggles, to our organization, to break the international silence about this war and what is happening here, and to make that we all come together, that we can discuss, that we share what we heard from all of the people here, that they have also a responsibility, that we have to stand against this war. And this is really important. I think that all people, not only from Europe, but all people from the world have to feel the responsibility that we have to fight against all wars and for peace, but now for this war here, because this is a big, big, big crime against humanity and against young women. And